Shaz fam, corner, like, comment, share, subscribe. Today we are making the recipe of chicken cheese balls. Potato 5 medium size. Chicken 1½ cup. Salt 1 tablespoon. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Oregano powder 1 tablespoon. Corn flour 3 tablespoon. Coriander. Eggs. Salt 1/4 tablespoon. Black pepper powder 1/4 tablespoon. Put it to rest for 1 hour. You can also freeze it. Fry it on medium flame. Our yummy chicken cheese ball is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.